Guys, Skipper Ben here, reporting live from Six Flags Over Texas, my home
we
park.
are.
This is awesome with Kyle. We're about to ride Tormenta Rampaging Run.
Yes, and it's the 65th anniversary of Six Flags Over Texas, where it all started. But
This is it.
I mean, it really is all built off innovation because Tormenta breaks 6 world records.
And we're about to head up to the first one, aren't we?
We're about to experience it. Yeah, that first world record, it's the tallest dive coaster in the world. Sits at 309 feet looking over the DFW Metroplex.
It's the first coaster I can say here. I can see my house from here, literally.
You literally can. But it's also the fastest dive coaster, the longest dive coaster, and then we're going to go through the Immelmann loop, that's the tallest, and then the tallest vertical loop as well.
That tallest vertical loop is taller than the biggest drop on the Texas Giant.
Yes!
Right, I can't believe that.
It's incredible, for sure.
I love the views of Dallas Fort Worth. When you get up here, you can see everything.
And
literally,
this ride is taller than AT&T Stadium.
that's amazing.
Isn't that incredible?
That's amazing.
And you can see just everything. But again, Six Flags has done it better. This is the original Six Flags park, and this 309 drop is a world record setter.
I'm trying to not lose my breath as you're talking right there, because we are hanging over the edge.
Yes, we are. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Oh!
Let's go!
Oh my God! Woo! This is the Immelmann loop. Yeah!
And here's the big one. Oh my gosh!
The vertical loop.
Oh, unbelievable!
Oh man! Yes!
Wow!
Oh, I just feel like new favorite ride so quick.
By far,
Right?
This I hate to break the news of the Texas Giant, but yeah, it's already been passed up.
This
and
is your new
we're
favorite?
This is it. Whoa! Oh boy! So good.
Right?
So good.
Oh, and they did such a great job with the theming as well.
Yes.
Like Tormenta, it's based after this legendary bull of this Rancho de la Tormenta area. But
Yes.
as you see, a lot of work went into it.
Oh my God, the statue's stunning.
Isn't
out
it
there.
stunning? I know.
And the
New
new
profile
restaurant.
picture.
Yes. Oh my gosh. So, as somebody who's been coming to this theme park my entire life,
Yes.
revitalizing the Spain section of the park is so cool. I love that they've
Oh,
gone
yeah.
back to the theming of the original Six Flags Over Texas, the
Yes.
original land. So we have something new and awesome here in Spain. New food, new ride,
Oh yeah.
new experiences. You got to come out and do this.
You
It's
have
absolutely
to come
amazing.
out. And if you get a pass, you can go to Fiesta, Texas, Schlitterbahn. Like this is where you need to be.
This is awesome. Kyle, thank you so much.
Way
man.
to go.
So good.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.